Hi guys, so we are doing IXL today. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you. All I have pulled up is the IXL page on my Canvas, and I have today's date up, so September 1st. I'll go ahead and click on the skill. It's going to open it up in a new window or in a new tab. I'm checking that it's B.1, which is add two numbers up to 5 digits. And most importantly, I'm checking to make sure my name is in that upper right-hand corner. Making sure my name is in that upper right-hand corner, make sure that I get credit for it because it means that Miss Hickam can see your work. I have scratch paper over here. I'm using a whiteboard. You can use your whiteboards that I gave you guys in your bins this week, or you can use a scratch piece of paper. 1,513 plus 1,587. One thing I'm going to do before I start solving this is I want to double check that I went through and copied the numbers correctly. It would suck if I did my addition right, but I had mistaken what numbers were moved over. So I check 1513, 1513. My next number, 1587, 1587. So I double checked. That lets me know, yep, I can do the math. We're going to do the math today, just like we talked about in the video where we say it out loud. So 3 plus 7 equals 10. Write the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Write the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Plus 5 equals 11. Write the 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Plus 1 equals 3. Write the 3. What's the answer? 3,100. Remember when I say what's the answer, that's when I go back and make sure I have commas in where they need to be. Now, how this works here is if I type these in, it goes backwards for me. So as I start typing, I'm going to start with the zeros and work my way this way. Got my next one up. I'm not going to do too many because you guys are pros at this. This is more making sure that we're in the habit and getting used to saying those out loud. So when we move on to things like multiplication and division, you're already in the habit of saying it along with the video. Once again, I copy it and then I double check that I have written it correctly. So 6219, 4800. I've got those both copied correctly. So now I'm going to go through and solve. 9 plus 0 equals 9, write the 9. 1 plus 0 equals 1, write the 1. 2 plus 8 equals 10, write the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 6 equals 7, plus 4 equals 11, write the 11. What's my answer? 11,019. Now I can also click here and move where I put in my numbers if I want to start on the other side. But just be aware, and before you hit submit, make sure you type in the correct answer and then hit submit. Once again, we're only going to do one more. It's getting in that habit of saying that out loud and checking that we wrote down things correctly. 6,745. 2,704. Double check that I wrote it down correctly. 6745, 2704. Yep. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Write the 9. 4 plus 0 equals 4. Write the 4. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Write the 4. Carry the 1. 1 plus 6 equals 7, plus 2 equals 9. Write the 9. What's my answer? 9,449. Pretty simple. The key is making sure that you enter everything incorrectly and that you show your work. Even though I'm in 4th grade, I still show that I can borrow because I want to show that I can carry things and borrow things just like that. All right, guys. I hope this helps, and I will see you for the next go.